Alright, so this is Tuck. We just finished up the project. The only thing left to do is the railings, but that's the final step once we were completely done and out of here. So we are clear to have your siding guy come back at this point. Just to let you know, we could not, do the final pressure washing from when we did the gravel. The neighbor wasn't too keen on us hooking up a hose and, running a power washer for a couple hours to her house. So when you guys get back, if there's still issues, just let me know. We're happy to come by and clean this. Also, the gravel, when that's mined out of the ground, it's covered with basically dirt and mud. So whenever we lay that, we always hose it down and pressure wash it to make it clean and make the colors pop. So that's another thing that'll need to be done. There's a chance the rainwater will take care of it if we get some good rains in. But the reality is we'll probably have to come back and wash that. So when you guys get back in town, just let me know. I'll come by and tighten that up. Here you see the apron all through Arlington County. Zoom out a little bit. There's the entire driveway. Here's the pop-up valves. So that one, the closest one to the street, runs all the way over to the other side of the house downspout. The next one in line runs to this downspout there on the porch. And this one runs to the two downspouts that come down there. The one with the hole that he's popped through, and then the one that's going to come down from the top of the porch. Keep in mind the whole area around this, before spring when you're growing grass, you're going to want a landscaper to come in, put topsoil. You talked about building up this edge a little bit, but as you see, it's not that bad. I mean, 1 or 2 loads of topsoil, level all this out and plant grass, you'll be good to go in the spring. Over here you can see the egress. Really pretty, stone looks gorgeous. This is actually pretty clean, so it doesn't really need much of a wash. Maybe a little bit on the door. Again, we'll take care of that when we get back. Walk around to the other side. So we put a lot of gravel in here. It was like 4 tons. And again, this is really, really dirty. This has all the dirt on it from the quarry. So once that stuff gets clean, colors will really pop. So this whole thing needs washed out. Once we get access to water, we can do that. But you see, we took it up to the bottom of the wood the whole way down. This is the final pipe that'll drop down there from the house, and that's the one that I told you carried over there. Here's the wall. This is set up for the siding guy to just come right on top of it and flash it. So that's easy install for him. He just needs to put in another one of those white pieces there and flash that. You won't have any water infiltration. This whole area, in the spring when you're planting grass, I would say your landscaper could come in, grade it, definitely throw down some topsoil. A lot of this is clay heavy, the dirt we pulled out, but you could bring the levels up here a few inches, get everything sloped away from the house and roll them back. But right now you're good to go. Don't worry about it. All this is waterproof and solid construction, so you can wait till springtime to do any of that final grading or grass planting. And that's pretty much it. So I really hope you like the project. Thanks for trusting in me and letting me work on your house when you're gone. I personally think it came out beautiful, and I think once you get back and you start using this driveway, unfortunately the birds made a mess there, as you see from the tree, but once you get back, I think you'll love this. That egress will last forever, that wall will last forever, and now you got this huge driveway and parking area to pull in and out with the big apron. So thanks for again trusting in me and giving me your business. Hope you like what you see. Let's get one more shot from the street so you can see kind of the whole house. Wall looks nice. Apron. Looks really nice.